but let's take a look at a multiple choice question. So let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com that deals with alternative minimum tax. Which of the following itemized deduction is not allowed for the purposes of AMT and must be added back to taxable income when computing alternative minimum taxable income? So we have four options. One of them will have to be added back, so it's not allowed. It's not an allowed deduction. And all these deductions are from Schedule A. Is it charitable contribution? Is it mortgage interest on acquisition debt? Is it state and local taxes? Is it medical expenses? So here's what I'm going to tell you. You have to kind of know this. But before you have to know this, I'm going to give you how you would go through it logically. I would say the government is so nice, they're going to let you take your medical expenses. And if you're nice, they would let you take your charitable contribution. So the difference is between B and C, mortgage interest and state and local taxes. You have to know state and local taxes are not allowed as an AMT deduction. You have to add them back. Mortgage interest, that's fine. If you want to buy a home, they would let you deduct the interest for AMT. You just need to know the SALT deduction is added back. Now, if you are using Farhat Lectures and taking this question on my website, you could ask AI to explain the topic, explain the correct and incorrect answer, or generate a new MCQ that covers this topic in depth. In the next session, what we will do, we're going to go and keep working with adjustments and preferences to make sure we are comfortable with this. Now, I think you should be good enough based on this, because anything else, it's going to be work the same way. Any adjustment, you have to understand whether it's added or deducted if it's an adjustment, but we have to cover the preferences. But at this point, I believe we are ready to dive a little bit deeper. Now, here's what I'm going to tell you. Whether you are a CPA exam candidate, enrolled agent, accounting student, AMT is a tough topic. The only way you are going to learn about AMT and be comfortable with AMT is looking at additional lectures on Farhat Lectures. Work with AI on Farhat Lectures. Look at additional MCQs. Don't shortchange yourself. The best investment you can make is invest in yourself. Best of luck and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.